Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a gingerbread muffin pan decoration. So I grabbed one of the muffin tins from Dollar Tree, and it's a 6 muffin pan. I had this little tin cutout of a gingerbread girl, so I'm going to paint that. You could use a gingerbread decoration, some white chalk paint, some brown paint for my gingerbread man, and then some floral picks that I had on hand, and then a piece of ticking fabric. So the first thing I did was paint my gingerbread girl. And if you have a gingerbread ornament or whatever, feel free to use that. I know that I got this at a thrift store, so I doubt most of you would be able to get it. Then I painted my muffin tin with the red chalk paint. And I did a couple of coats it took to cover this. And if you wanted to seal it, you could use Mod Podge. You could also use the Enchanted Shimmer and add some glitter to it. It's totally up to you. I just gave it a couple of coats of the red chalk paint, and I'm okay with it if it chips off and starts to look rustic. So I painted that. That's all finished, and then I painted my gingerbread girl. And now I'm going to just start hot gluing my picks right to the center of the muffin tin. So I started off with just a handful of them and hot glued them right to the center. And then I had these little candy ones, and I decided I wanted to add those on. So I ended up hot gluing them and then trying to put the gingerbread girl on, but it wouldn't quite sit right with all of those candies. So I ended up having to take a few of them off and kind of rearrange my arrangement a little bit to fit my gingerbread girl. Once I had all my picks arranged so that I could fit my gingerbread cutout, I just took some hot glue and hot glued her right on top of all of the stems, and that's going to hide those. And I'm just going to hold her until she's secure. And then I'm going to take my ticking fabric that I just ripped off of the larger piece that I had, and I'm just going to tie that right around the center. And that is it. This project is done. It's so super cute and so super easy. You could add a hanger to this if you want. Like I said, you could add some glitter to the background. You could do some splatter white paint. It's totally up to you. This is just an idea, and this is what I wanted it to look like for my kitchen. Yours may be different, so feel free to take this idea and run with it. I think it turned out amazing, and I absolutely love it. I hope this inspires you to make one. Thank you so much for watching, and please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.